If you like to see how I painted these beautiful flowers, please keep watching until the end of the video. Thank you. Good morning, my friends. Good morning, my family. Angela here. Welcome to my art channel. Today I am going to make some flowers. I mean, a painting of flowers. It is summer and there's flowers everywhere. So what I'm doing today, I am going to make some flowers on a canvas of 12 by 16, and I'm gonna be making those flowers using a balloon, believe it or not, balloon and some strings. So this is going to be two techniques: balloon kiss and string pull. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be using on a 12 by 16. And I'm going to use a bunch of colors, and I'm really I'm going to bring you down and show you what colors I'm going to be using today. And the 12 by 16 is actually a practice canvas, because every time I try a new technique, I like to do it first on a practice canvas, and then if I feel comfortable doing it on a regular nice canvas, then I mean, they're all nice, but if I feel comfortable doing it on a real canvas, then I will do that. The difference between my practice canvas and the other canvases that I use is that the practice canvas does not have support in the back. It's just like a panel, like a canvas panel. The other ones are real, like gallery canvases. So yeah. So yes, I have my coffee here. It's Saturday morning. Well, actually it's around noonish, because I've been preparing my paint and stuff. So all the paints are prepared and ready to go. And yeah, I'm gonna be using very minimal supplies, just the paint, canvas, a balloon, and strings. And yes, so let's get started, and I'll bring you down and show you what paint I'm gonna be using, and then we'll get started. Okay, so we'll start over here. We'll start on my left, which might be your right, I don't know. So we'll start with white, Artist Loft white. That is gonna be for the base of the canvas. This is ultramarine blue. This is pale green. This one here is yellow. It's lemon yellow by Arteza. And all these paints that I've showed you by Arteza, except the Artist Loft. And then we have phthalo blue. It's also by Arteza. We have crimson red by Arteza. Phthalo green by Arteza. And this is violet. It's a iridescent violet by Flash. I'm not sure how I'm gonna be using this, but I will try to incorporate it somewhere. And I also have this premium gold by Arteza. Today I'm trying to use all Arteza paints. I'm thinking, instead of putting just white on here, because it might be a little runny, I might have to just paint it. Just put a little drop of Artist Loft, or a couple drops, and then just paint the canvas on the top, because I am not going to need a lot of paint. On the bottom I'm going to put all the colors. on the top, that's where the flowers will be. So I'm just gonna spread it with my magic tool here, which is this. And again, as I mentioned earlier, this is a trial canvas, and this is my first time trying this. So you're doing it first time with me. Paint with me. Watch how it turns out. We just spread this paint. Make sure that is saturated on top of the canvas. I was just gonna do the flowers on bare canvas without any on dry canvas, but I don't think it will have the same effect as if I put a little bit paint on it. So I'll just put a little bit paint. It might be drying by the time we get to doing the flowers, but that's okay. To start, I am going to start down here with the greens, because you know the flowers will be up this way, and obviously green you want like a little bit vegetation. So we're gonna start pouring green. Just gonna use this tool. It's a palette knife. This is like my to-go-to when I want to spread my paint. So I'm just gonna spread it over, make sure the paint kind of mix like that, and you will see why I'm doing this later on. that here like that. There they go. See? Look how beautiful this is. Look how beautiful that one is there. Are they good? Here's another area. I might have to go up again with the kiss and see what colors will come out. Look how beautiful that is with the white. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. Okay guys, my flower is done. Wow, look at this. This is a beautiful flower painting. Not bad for first time, you know. So look at the details on here. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Share with your friends and family. And God bless. Bye.